Hey everybody, I got a real quick video about a cabin air filter for an '05 Chevy Uplander. Mine was dirty. I don't think I've ever replaced it. But you can go through the glove compartment. I was taking something else apart, so I just decided to change it because for a while, I didn't even know where it was and never thought about it much. But there are two of them. You just pull the first one out, and then to the left, there's another one. So once you pull the other one out, the other one comes out. Same door, it's just two in there. And you see how dirty this thing was. It was like all kinds of stuff up there. Feathers, straw, dirt, acorns, all kinds of stuff. So I just took them out, went to the auto parts store. It came in a pack of 2, so that's good. Those are the 2 I took out. That stuff is hideous. So that's all you do. That's the old one. That's the new one beside the old one. Look at that. Now think about that. That's what we're breathing. Old, new. You see that? So like I said, just unpackage the new one, put it in the same way you took the old one out. Just go in reverse order. There are 2, remember. You see here, one's already in. I just slid that one in and just close that little door. Now, if you don't take apart your dashboard, it's really easy to access this thing. Simply open up your glove compartment, and take out the stuff from your glove compartment, get it empty, and you'll see the panel in the back. There's a little door in the back. You see right there? Just right there, empty glove compartment. That's the little door. It comes off. Again, open your glove compartment. There's a little panel. Just undo that, and that accesses your cabin air filter. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.